Learn the essential terms. Knowing the terms used in trading is important to understanding the basics. Here are the concise meanings for each term. Ask price, the price at which the currency or instrument is offered for sale. Bid price, the price at which a counterparty offers to buy a currency pair. Commission fees, the fees charged by a broker for executing trades or providing services. Currency pair, two currencies that are traded together in the Forex market. Exchange rate, the rate at which one currency can be exchanged for another. Exotic pairs, currency pairs that involve one major currency and one less common or emerging market currency. Forecast, the process of predicting future market movements based on analysis. Go long, buying a currency pair with the expectation that its price will rise. Go short, selling a currency pair with the expectation that its price will fall. Leverage, the ability to control a larger trading position with a smaller amount of capital. Limit order, an order to buy or sell a currency pair at a specific price or better. Lot, a standardized unit of trading volume in Forex, typically 100,000 units of the base currency. Margin, the portion of capital required to open and maintain a trading position. Market order, an order to buy or sell a currency pair at the prevailing market price. Micro account, a trading account that allows trading in smaller lot sizes, typically 1,000 units of the base currency. Mini account, a trading account that allows trading in smaller lot sizes, typically 10,000 units of the base currency. Mirror trading, copying the trades of other successful traders automatically. No swap accounts, trading accounts that do not charge rollover fees for holding positions overnight. Pip, the smallest unit of price change in a currency pair, usually the 4th decimal place. Scalping, a short-term trading strategy that aims to profit from small price movements. Slippage, the difference between the expected price of a trade and the actual executed price. Spread, the difference between the bid and ask price of a currency pair. Standard account, a regular trading account with standard lot sizes, typically 100,000 units of the base currency. Stop-loss order, an order to close a position at a predetermined price level to limit potential losses. Volume, the total number of shares or contracts traded in a particular currency pair or market.